weird and unusual facts about Japan no other country can rival. We all know Japan as the land of the rising sun. The country is a very interesting place. Japan has influenced the world in numerous ways. For example, in the field of innovations that have changed our daily lives, the food that has shaped international palates, and not forgetting the subcultures that continue to influence popular culture. At the same time, Japan continues to evolve rapidly. Just when you think you understand everything about Japanese culture, something new pops up. Here are 3 weird and unusual facts about Japan just to prove that this mighty nation will surprise you at every turn. 1. Nearly all smartphones sold in Japan are waterproof. This is because people use them even while taking a bath. Water-resistant phones have been the norm for over a decade in Japan. Approximately 90% of the phones sold are waterproof. Some attribute this reason majorly to the bathing culture in Japan. Many people soak in bathtubs to unwind after work, and users find the waterproof function useful just in case their phones slip into the water. 2. The famous late-night dancing was illegal until 2015. This rule was originally imposed after the World War II. The reason for the ban was meant to crack down on prostitution as the dance halls were a hotbed for vices. Dancing in venues without a dance license after midnight was illegal, and you could be arrested. However, it was not regularly enforced in the late 20th century. The ban saw a revival in the 21st century when a spike in celebrity-related drug busts led to the police reinforcing the law and requiring clubs to close at midnight. Furthermore, the archaic law was replaced by new legislation that allowed clubs equipped with lighting brighter than 10 lux. This was about as bright as twilight so as to apply for a new license to operate 24 hours. 3. The world's oldest company was from Japan. The name of the company was called Kongo Gumi. This company was a construction company based in Japan and the longest operating company in history. The company first operated for over 1,400 years, between 578 AD to 2006. This construction company was founded by an immigrant from Baekje. Baekje is part of the modern-day Korea. The founder was commissioned by Prince Shotoku to build the Shitennoji, a Buddhist temple in Osaka that still stands today. The company was also involved in the construction of many historic buildings, such as the Osaka Castle in the 16th century. Kongo Gumi was later on passed down to the family for 50 generations until it fell into financial troubles in 2006. The company was then liquidated and absorbed as a subsidiary to the Takamatsu Construction Group. The company is still there and it continues to specialize in building Buddhist temples. Interestingly, the 5 oldest companies still operating today are Japanese companies, of which 3 of them are in the hospitality industry.